Tick-tock. Not even the 2018 Audi A6, with all its capabilities, can arrest the march of time. It's making a pretty good job of trying, though. The A6 is an ideal midsize executive sedan. It blends luxury appointments with sporty accents, all wrapped up in a highly stylish package. With all-wheel drive available for maximum traction, the A6 can also be a driver's machine. However, this generation of A6 has been around for 6 years, while its main rivals, the BMW 5 Series and Mercedes-Benz E-Class, have both recently launched new generations chock full of fresh technology. In compensation, Audi has given the entry-level A6 more standard equipment and a small hike in power to the V6 engine. A properly equipped A6 remains a great drive in its class, and every version has a beautifully crafted interior,